Please note that we do not guarantee employment to the candidates. Though utmost care has been taken in providing correct information, eligible candidates are, however, advised to go through the official notification before submitting applications.
भरोसाको जीवन
शिक्षित योग्य युवाहरूलाई
र सचेतहरूलाई
कहीं न कहीं छ रोजगारको मुहा, कहीं न कहीं छ रोजगारको मुहा।
Supported by
Darjeeling District Central Cooperative Bank Limited, Rishi Road, Kalimpong.
Bank of India, Ongden Road, Kalimpong, with all kinds of modern banking facilities. ISET,
short-term and long-term computer courses with nominal fee and concession to ST, SC, OBC and BPL candidates. Shahid Dal Bahadur Giri Road, Kalimpong.
Yellow Diagnostics and Polyclinic,
Gamba Chowk, Kalimpong. Remember us for pathology tests, X-ray, scanning and other medical assistances.
DP Upasal and Sons, Dumbar Chowk, Kalimpong. Textbooks, copies, magazines and newspapers supplying since more than 60 years.
Calcutta Store,
an exclusive showroom of cosmetic, jewelry, gold-plated jewelry, DS Gurung Road, Kalimpong. DJ Prints, Rishi Road, Kalimpong. Visit us for any type of quality printing job at reasonable rates with timely delivery facility. Charitra Prakashan, Manadara, Kalimpong. We deal with printing, publication, distribution and circulation of Nepali books. We also provide assistance to unemployed youth for online submission of forms, coaching, counseling and overall free SMS about latest vacancies. Call us at 03552 255599 or 94755 91475. Add us in Facebook also.
Namaskar. We welcome you to the Employment Information segment of Charitra production on KTV. First, the highlights.
Kolkata Police requires services of metric passed boys and girls as constables. Madhyamik passed candidates wanted by West Bengal Staff Selection Commission. Vacancies of Deputy Ranger lying in Forest Department for HS passed youth.
Now, the information in details. Kolkata Police has sought applications from metric passed boys and girls to recruit as constables. The details.
Organizer, Kolkata Police. Name of post, constable, male or female. Number of post, male 1060, female 106. Pay scale, rupees 5400 to 25,200 plus grade pay rupees 2,600. Qualification, Madhyamik passed. Age 18 to 27, relaxation as per rule. Selection process, physical measurement, physical efficiency, written interview, medical exam, verification of character, training. Examination fee, rupees 150, no fee for ST, SC candidates. Mode of application, online or offline. Closing date, 19 December 2015. Official website, kprb.kolkatapolice.gov.in.
Posts of Lower Division Clerk or Lower Division Assistant are lying vacant in various departments under West Bengal government. The details.
Name of organizer, West Bengal Staff Selection Commission. Name of post, Lower Division Assistant or Lower Division Clerk. Number of post, 599. Scale of pay, rupees 5,400 to rupees 25,200 with grade P rupees 2,600. Qualification Madhyamik or equivalent. Other qualification basic computer knowledge. Age 18 to 40 years. Relaxation as per rule. Exam center Siliguri, Kolkata, etc. Fee rupees 220. No fee for SC, ST and PH candidates. Closing date 28 December 2015. Official website www.wbssc.gov.in.
Darjeeling District Central Cooperative Bank Limited, Rishi Road, Kalimpong.
Our bank runs under West Bengal Cooperative Societies Act 2006 and Rule 2011. Our services:
loans in agricultural sector through primary agricultural cooperative societies.
Loans in non-agricultural sector through employees credit cooperative societies.
Easy consumption, short-term loan facilities to salary earners.
Loans under diversified finance schemes and microfinance.
Higher rate of interest in various deposit schemes than other banks.
Disbursements of salary to higher secondary and primary school teachers.
Transfer of fund through NEFT and RTGS.
Deposit cover under DICGC.
Core banking solution CBS in all branches with IFSC code and MICR code.
DVTL LPG subsidy.
Introduction of ATM facilities under process.
We run 9 branches in Kalimpong, Pedung, Gurvathan, Darjeeling, Korseng, Sukepokuri, Bijanbari, Rimbik and Mirik.
Our new branches are opening shortly in Jolung and Mangpu.
Bank of India provides benefit to central and state government salary account holders. Benefit are minimum balance not required, free accidental death insurance of rupees 10 lakh, debit card to withdraw cash up to rupees 50,000 and POS up to rupees 1 lakh, free 100 check leaves every year, free missed call alert for balance inquiry, personal loan, vehicle loan, housing loan at very affordable rates of interest. Visit our branch at Bank of India, Ongden Road, Kalimpong.
HS passed youths may apply to work as Deputy Ranger or Forester in Forest Department. The details.
Organizer West Bengal Staff Selection Commission. Name of exam Deputy Ranger or Forester recruitment. Name of post Deputy Ranger or Forester. Department Forest Department. Salary rupees 5,400 to 25,200. Grade P rupees 2,900. Qualification higher secondary. Age 20 to 32. Relaxation as per rules to the candidates of West Bengal only. Selection procedure: written exam, physical efficiency test and interview. Examination fee rupees 220, rupees 20 for SC or ST. Mode of application: online. Closing date 4th December 2015. Official website www.wbssc.gov.in.
This much for today's episode of Employment Information. For further details, candidates are requested to visit our office, Charitra Prakasan, Thana Dara, Kalimpong, or call at 94755 91475. We are also available on YouTube and Facebook. We welcome creative suggestions from our viewers to make this program more useful. Goodbye till our next episode.
भरोसाको जीवन शिक्षित योग्य युवाहरूलाई
र सचेतहरूलाई
कहीं न कहीं छ रोजगारको मुहान, जही नै त्यही छ रोजगारको मुहान।